Hello and welcome back to a new video, guys. And today I'm going to do this cleaning stuff. I'm going to clean my bike, especially the chain. So I'm going to show you how to clean the chain in a proper way, and completely opening everything right properly. So before that, let's go ahead and wash the bike, and then let's start the cleaning process. And here I have this chain cleaner and the chain lube. So we're going to use this for our cleaning. Okay, so stay tuned. So we're done with the cleaning stuff. So we have washed the bike. So you can see here now, all clean. Okay. So what this will help me here is it's going to clean my chain. At least some part here is going to be still clean, so that we can clean it easily. The rest part we can clean with our chain cleaner that we have, right? So I'll just show you how to do it. So basically we're going to already clean this part. We're also going to clean this part as well here, okay? Because most of the people don't clean this one, right? This part here, opening this and cleaning this circuit that we have. So we're going to clean both. Okay, now let me show you how you do that. So first thing is first, you need to put it on the main stand. Okay. Once your bike is on the main stand, we'll go and do the next part. Alright guys, so this is the tools that we need to do our cleaning. So this is the tool that we'll be using, this one. So these three tools are already available on your Royal Enfield toolkit. This is something that is new, this LNK I've bought, it's 5.5 mm, which I've bought for removing that stuff there, this one there, okay. Then we have our chain cleaner, and then we have our chain lube and our chain cleaner. This is all that we need to finish this process, okay. Now let's dive in. So I managed to remove these 3 screws which are there, 1, 2 and 3. So once you remove all these 3 screws, and this is the first time I'm removing this, so let's see what is inside this first. Yuck. You see this, see all the dirt and everything that is there inside, if you can see it properly. That is what is very important, to remove this and clean this as well. And if you see the chain here, it's all dry, completely dry. And so what we have to do now is, you have to clean all the chain now, lube everything from here, this portion plus that portion as well. So both the portions will be going ahead and lubing it, and also we'll be cleaning the chain as well. Okay, once that is done. So stay tuned, see the video, and it's going to be very informative for sure. Okay. As you can see, right, this chain is slightly loose. If you see, this is so much of travel, right? This is a little loose now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this chain a little bit tight as well. So for that, what we'll be using is these 2 tools. This is the first tool that I showed you earlier on this video. So let's start this process now. So the first thing is, we're going to insert this tool here. Screwdriver is going to be here, and this side we'll be using this here to loosen it a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'm going to make it a little downwards like this, slightly, a little more. Okay, this is enough. So once this is loose, we have to use an Allen key to make the adjustment as well here. So for that, this is the tool I need. It is 6 mm Allen key. Okay. Now first thing is, we'll be turning it slightly this way, this much, and the same thing, same travel or same adjustment is going to be here as well. Same thing. Okay, this is all half. Okay, now let's see the difference. Chain is a bit tight than before. The chain is tight. We are going to push it up now like this to tighten it top way. Okay, make sure it is tight. Use a little bit of your strength to make it, because it's going to be very important. If this is loose, then yeah, your tire will fly on the road. We're going to use the chain cleaner now once our chain is tight and everything is done. So let's clean this portion. Okay, so we'll spray this and keep it for 10 minutes so that everything is gone from the chain. Okay, just leave it like that for next 10 minutes. So whatever the deposit is there, the dirt and everything is gone from there. Okay, and expect this from you when you clean. Expect this dirt. Okay, expect it. All right, let's wait now for 10 minutes and then we'll do the lubing part. Okay, so we'll use this. I have this cleaner to just clean this leftover parts, just to have that proper cleanup. See here also, if you see all this dirt, right? Try to clean all this from here. Even the chain can be cleaned like this. See, clean it like this. Okay. Okay, so finally our bike maintenance video is done here. We've done the chain lube, the wash part, and everything is done. And you know what to do. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. Bye bye.